Imagine owning a home in downtown Dubai with your own private pool facing the Burj Khalifa. Sounds like a dream? Well, that dream is now a reality. Introducing Bingati Skyblade, Dubai's newest architectural icon. Set to rise as one of the most iconic towers in downtown Dubai, Bingati Skyblade isn't just another project, it's redefining luxury living with world class residences, private pools, and panoramic views of the Burj Khalifa. Let's take you through a one bedroom show apartment with a private pool at Bingati Projects. Let's also talk about the residence options at Bingati Skyblade. Well, we have got the premium studios with private jacuzzi starting from 1.77 million dirham, around 4 crore Indian rupees or 480,000 US dollars. Studios starting from 1.67 million dirham, approximately 3.75 crore Indian rupees or 455,000 US dollars. One bedroom royal suites with a private lap pool starting from 3.64 million dirham, approximately 8.2 crore Indian rupees or 990,000 US dollars. We have got two bedroom units starting from 4.69 million dirham, approximately 10.5 crore Indian rupees or 1.27 million dollars. The exclusive two bedroom Burj Royal Suite, only 10 of these units are available, each with a private pool and Burj Khalifa view, priced at 9.49 million dirham, approximately 21 crore Indian rupees or 2.58 million dollars, and the ultra luxurious 3-bedroom Burj Royal Wing. Just 3 of these residences in the entire tower. We've got the maid room with it, we've got a pool and direct Burj Khalifa views, priced at 14.49 million dirham, approximately 32 crore Indian rupees or 3.95 million dollars. The tower is scheduled for completion in Q4 2027, and the launch offer makes it even more attractive with just 10% down payment and a 60-40 payment plan. Bingati has been making global headlines with collaborations and ultra luxury launches, and we have got exclusive unit at some of these projects, including the Bugatti Residences by Bingati, Bingati and Jacob & Co Residences, Bingati Skyrise and Aquarise at Business Bay. We've got Bingati Twilight and Starlight at Jataf, Bingati Ruby and Circle at JVC, Bingati Haven at Sports City, and the Hillviews project at Science Park. With Skyblade, Bingati is once again raising the bar for iconic Dubai living. So whether you are an investor looking for strong appreciation in downtown Dubai or someone dreaming of living with the Burj Khalifa right outside your window, Bingati Skyblade is an opportunity you don't want to miss. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more updates on Dubai's most exciting real estate launches. Thanks for watching.